This is Eva. She is 4. Eva loves fairy tales and music, so her parents got her Jooki. It is Eva's magical jukebox. She uses the Jooki stars to play the music and stories she wants, just like this. Jooki is the Wi-Fi speaker and portable music player for kids. The stars are figurines and tokens. Each star plays a song or an album, so Eva can play and listen to music on her own. It sounds great, and the stars make it so easy and fun to use. Jooki stores music so that it works everywhere, at home, in the car, or even in the park. And it has Wi-Fi, so Eva can enjoy streaming music. Eva's friends love Jooki too. It's always ready to play. And after the party, they can listen to a story to chill out. Jooki is portable and has a rechargeable battery, so kids can enjoy music wherever they are. Eva's mom copies music onto Jooki's internal storage, from the app or from her laptop, and she links the star to a playlist, just like this. She can also limit the volume, or set the time to go to bed. Sometimes she borrows Jooki too, while Eva dreams of the stars. Jooki, the jukebox for kids.
There's no limit to our children's imagination. Do you know if your children are drinking enough water?
There was an explosion that polluted the planet Ema, and it brought tons of monsters. The Gululu creatures are in trouble. They need our help.
Kids ready?
Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go, let's go!
Now their imagination is combined with a healthy lifestyle. Welcome to the Gululu universe, a magical world where Gululu's home planet is in ruin, and it's up to our children to return it to its original beauty. Set up your Gululu and choose your pet. Only by drinking the recommended amount of water per day can you keep your pets healthy and save their home planet. Add friends, always stay connected. The more you drink from your Gululu, the more adventures you will unlock and explore. The Gululu universe is ever expanding with automatic updates of new features and characters.
Let's go, let's go!
Once Gululu connects to Wi-Fi, children's drinking data uploads automatically to the clouds, and parents are quickly informed through the app. The multiple sensors measure the amount of water consumed and the drinking pattern. Gululu Go uses 100% BPA-free material, so it's especially safe for kids. The new sound speaker allows your pet to talk to the kids.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
You're the best.
New cap and loop for easy carrying.
Let's go, let's go!
Drinking water with family and friends is more fun than ever before with Gululu Go. Every sip, your Gululu pet celebrates and shows off its cool skills. Along your journey, you can grow your pet, unlock magical treasures, and collect dazzling prizes. Till today, Gululu has reached children in over 70 countries. With Gululu, children stay engaged, hydrated, and healthy.
Let's go, let's go!
Come join us, where imagination and well-being go hand in hand, here in the Gululu universe.
Let's go, let's go! Rock your imagination. Let's go!
Introducing Novus, the perfect 3-in-1 smart device made for kids and parents alike. Novus can be transformed into 3 different modes: smartphone, smartwatch, and an AI speaker. It has a ton of features that makes it fun and safe. Here, I'll show you.
Hey Jack.
Hey Mom, can I go to the park?
Sure you can. Just make sure to take your sister with you.
My brother's not the only one who loves Novus. Its features are very convenient, like a pedometer, which can track my steps, and is great for exercising. Come on, you can do it! Or how it's waterproof, so whether you're washing your hands or just super thirsty, you don't have to worry about water damage. And best of all, there's video call, so parents can talk to us anytime, anywhere. Hey Mom, tell everyone how great the Novus is.
Honey, you kids aren't doing that infomercial thing again, are you?
She's on to us!
Novus has been amazing for the kids, but as a parent, it's amazing for me too. The app has robust features that allow for a wide variety of parental controls. You can filter through their contacts, set time limits on when they can use it, or use GPS so you always know where they are and if they're safe. It's also pretty good for winning at a hide-and-go-seek.
Because all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
Hey, with the Novus, I'm plenty fun. With it, I can take photos or even record short videos. It's easy to pair up with other Novus smart devices. I can send them pictures, messages, and even call them, and the battery lasts all day. Switch over to phone mode to extend the battery even longer. The phone was designed to make it easy for kids to scroll through the menu, or adjust the volume while listening to music. Yeah, I'd like to order a large with extra toppings.
Jack, I'm in the room with you. Novus is not only safe for my kid, but it's also safe for me. Because I always know where Jack is. Whether he's at a friend's house or just playing outside, I am completely worry-free. And the fun doesn't stop when your kids get home either. Connect Novus to the AI speaker and turn your home into a dance party.
It can charge the watch, and it can be voice controlled. Hey Google, play a new song. It's an easy and great way to get your kids into new technologies.
The Novus is so great, it even has a nightlight. It senses body temperature, so when you get close, it turns on. What can't this thing do?
Honey, are you still doing that infomercial?
Novus is a smart device that kids will love and parents will love even more. Back it today and receive your very own for a discounted price.
Who's America's top robot? And they're off! Mebo's streaming video keeps us in on the action. Here comes Balance Bot. Ooh! Mebo's on the approach. And in position.
I totally failed that test. If my parents find out...
Oh, they will.
Did that just come from Mebo's mouth? Balance Bot is on the okay. Check out Mebo's arm control. It's safe to say we have a clear winner. Mebo!
When you were a kid, you probably knew someone who owned Power Wheels, and you were just a bit jealous of them too. The new Arrow Smart Cart from Actev Motors isn't going to make adult you any less envious, but it'll make your parenting side very happy thanks to the ability to control your child's ride with your phone. Kids age out of Power Wheels pretty early on, and it's a long wait for them to get behind the wheel of a real car. The Arrow is a go-kart for those years in between. It's small and it's fast, but most importantly for parents, it's Wi-Fi connected. which allows the cart to be controlled via the Arrow app. Adults can select the top speed, put the vehicle in gear, and even set up boundaries to ensure that their offspring don't try to drive off unsupervised. It's certainly tempting to try, though. The Arrow looks like a pretty standard go-kart, just sized for children. The outside is pretty plain, but it can be customized with a body kit to look like a real Formula racer. It's not all looks. Once your child hits the gas, they're off in no time, with the Arrow capable of speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. It doesn't sound like much, but at this size it packs quite a bit of a punch. That's where the app comes in handy. Parents can limit the speed for smaller or inexperienced children, and crank it up as they get the hang of it. The gears are set via the app too, which lets adults help the young driver get the cart out of tight spots, though there is a way for kids to set the cart in reverse on their own. Children can never really leave their parents' line of sight thanks to the proximity limitations. Once a driver goes out of range of the phone, the cart slows down and has to be brought back inside the invisible fence for the kid to get control of their vehicle back. This means that parents will never have to go chasing down the street after an Arrow. It just won't get very far without them. The Arrow Smart Cart plugs into any wall charger. It runs on a lithium-ion battery, so it's a bit safer than gas-powered go-karts or even the 12-volt batteries that run on Power Wheels. And, while Active Motors still recommends children wear a helmet while riding around in the Arrow, also keeping them safe is the collision detection, which should prevent them from ramming into a wall by accident. Hopefully they won't, because the Arrow is just a lot of fun to drive. The company even sells a drift kit for when your kid wants to fulfill some of their Fast and the Furious fantasies. I may not have been ready to practice my drift technique, but I did take the Arrow for a spin, cramming my large 30-something frame into the cart. The seat fit just fine, but my legs are just a bit too long to stay in it comfortably. That's probably a good thing, as you don't want teens or adults hogging it. It's a bit pricey, with a standalone frame costing $1,000 and each body kit adding another $150 to the price. That's a lot more than Power Wheels will cost you, but you're paying for something fast that your son or daughter will enjoy a lot longer. And you'll feel much better knowing that you can keep them out of trouble with just a touch of your phone's screen.
Fight the battle against screen time and encourage healthy habits with the activity tracker designed for kids. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and start using your child's vívofit Jr. First, let's take a look at the device. Your child can access the important information on the activity tracking device by scrolling through the available screens. Press the key to cycle through them. The calendar icon shows the current time and date. This screen shows the number of steps taken that day. You can customize the character icon through the app according to your child's preferences. This screen shows the number of active minutes for the day. To improve children's health, organizations such as the World Health Organization recommends that kids get at least 60 minutes of physical activity each day. This can include moderate activity, such as brisk walking, or vigorous activity, such as running. This bar will fill up as it gets closer to the 60 minutes of daily recommended activity, and in increments if they go over 60 minutes. Here you can view the number of chores completed and the total number of chores assigned for the day. Your child's chores are controlled by your app. And the screen with this icon will show you the total number of coins the child has earned. When vívofit Jr. is within range of your smart device, it will periodically sync the latest data so you can keep track of your child's progress on the app. If you would like to manually sync, just bring the device near your smartphone and open the app on your phone. On vívofit Jr., press and hold until you get this icon. A pair of looped arrows will appear and you'll see the red move bar in motion while the device syncs. Now you can see your child's latest activity levels, chore progress, and more. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about vívofit Jr.
want you to have this. Because when I was young, it taught me a valuable lesson about saving for what I wanted. I know it may look like just a piggy bank, but it's much more than that. It's linked to your own very first savings account. And there's no limit of what you can put into it. You set up your goals to what you want to save for, and then tasks can be assigned to do around the house.
Hey babe, can you take out the trash, please?
Yeah, sure, honey. I'll take it out right now.
That are worth money towards your goal.
Take out the trash, please.
Like take out the trash. It'll teach you about responsibility.
You got a reward.
While making savings fun.
Ready! Aim! Fire!
Nice work.
And instill a sense of accountability as well.
Cut the grass, please. Right on.
You'll learn that setbacks won't get in the way of getting to those goals. If you work hard,
Super duper.
show a good sense of determination,
Honey, do we have anything else for him to do?
No, not that I can think of.
and approach things with an optimistic attitude,
Congratulations.
those goals are attainable. And the lesson that's the most important, the one thing to never forget, tax. That's why I want you to have this. You might be a little too young, but you'll get there.